Okay, welcome to the second tutorial. I hope you've had a little bit of fun drawing and sketching and connecting and creating a whole bunch of different types of lines. I'm going to show you a couple of things on how to get rid of lines once you've drawn them, or get rid of shapes. Well, over here, we've got this thing called delete any. Now, if I hold my mouse down, we've got a whole bunch of different types of deletes. So let's just click on this one to start delete any. If I come across to this line, I can delete that whole thing with one click. That's delete any. Let's say, for instance, I want to get rid of that too, and I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, I'm back to my square, my star. If I select down, hold my mouse down a little bit further, I come across to this one, and it's delete part. Now, this allows me to delete parts of lines. You can actually see when they intersect over each other, I can delete parts. So that's quite handy to do. Let's have a look at this one. This is delete by box. Okay, if I drag a window over this, what's going to happen? Select again, say fully enclosed. Okay, and it just deletes it. So I can do that. There's a few ways. All right, so I've deleted stuff. What else can I do? Well, I can, let's have a look here. I can do writing. So I'm going to select here and I'm going to write something. I'm going to say name. Now, when I type name, I can then go settings. I can choose the type that I want. I can choose the color for that fill. I can choose the line color as well. So let's choose something funky. Okay. And then I go, okay. And okay, so there's my name. And I can change it. Let's have a look at changing this. I want to change these designs. Actually, I think this is pretty ugly here. So I'm just going to go delete any and just get rid of that. So I've just got a star. So let's just have a shape here and a name, and let's make modifications to stuff. So what we're going to do, come across here to the select tool. That's really important, and select on that. Then you can drag a window over something and see you've got these nodes. So I can select on that node and move something around, or I can select on this node and open it up. And I can do that. Let's see if we can do that to name. If I select on it, yes, I can click and I can change and move. What's this one do? Oh, I can rotate. This is an amazing piece of software. What's this one do? Oh, I can do a mirror or an inverse of it. That's crazy. This is the best piece of software in the entire world. It possibly is even better than some sort of crazy NASA software that's used to send astronauts into outer space. I'm convinced of it. All right, so have a go, guys, playing around with those tools. I'll leave you with this tutorial and we'll move on to the next.